Why?
Apparently my dryer quit working. Things you find in the dryer. Like walnuts. Rocks. A zipper. It is dusty. More buttons. Alright. Now I gotta figure out how this thing comes apart. So I'm gonna have to look. I don't see any way to get it off. All I see is two screws. So I'm gonna watch a video on YouTube and see if I can figure out how to get it apart. Said to remove the lint trap and these two Phillips screws. There's two clips. Pop it up. And that's why it doesn't work. The belt disintegrated. Probably something to do with the dryer sheet stuck here. 5/16 there, 5/16 there. Here's two down at the bottom here. Probably unplug it. Don't need to get electrocuted today. It does say disconnect power before servicing. It looks like just two clips on the bottom there. Oh no. Oh, that is all changed. I'm rich. Okay then. Whatever that was, that's been off for a little while. I don't know where that goes. Taking it apart to fix it. There we go. Then I caught my change that I found. Found $6.50 in there. Almost enough to pay for a replacement belt. Solomon and Clayton has really these gold dollars. It's a $1 gold coin. So I'm gonna give that back to one of them. Well, I found the parts on Amazon and had Becky order them. They're not going to be here for 7 days. I don't know why. But I can go to the nearest Menards and buy it. I just found one online. This one was pretty trashed. I just found one on their website. Got one in stock. About an hour drive. Go grab a belt. So, got the new belt. It's convenient. You had to go help hoist up a deer. So just make sure that the rib part is up against the drum. So I'm gonna drink this up. I'm gonna get sauce. There's a notch that this slips into, and then just kind of sits in there. Oh, more money. So this thing just kind of goes in there like that. Sits in there. You want to come hold this up for me? I'll pay you in money that I found in the. There you go. Hold out your hand. There, you're getting paid. How much did you make?
15 cents.
Oh. I found almost $7 in here.
I don't know what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting that. Just a giant belt. Is it supposed to be like groove right there?
It'll straighten itself out. Oh look, I was watching a video on it.
To reassemble, we make sure that our belt is roughly in the position of the motor pulley. Put our idler in the slot. And we need to support this drum in an upright position. You probably do that with your shoulder. Roll the belt over the top of the idler, in through the opening. Put a little tension on that idler. Roll the belt onto the motor pulley. Slowing everything.
That makes sense. There you go. Snap that thing in place. Put the belt so it goes under that, over this hub, and we're good to go. What? Hold this up.
Hi, Dad.
Hey,
Are you putting it back together?
I am.
Okay.
Oh, there's the jerky.
Dad, I think this is Solomon with another gun.
There we go. There's a piece for that to go into, and that fell out somewhere. I gotta figure out where that went to. Okay. Where did that go? Stuff goes missing, and I gotta take it back apart to look. There it is. Just one of these little clips. Just slides. Like whatever it had holding it in place is gone. Make sure you connect your door switch back on. Screw back in. Alright. Now I can test it. Ah! Works. Yeah. That's one I got. Coffee. Yep. Now, how long my turkey's been going. Try it. You good?
Way better than the beer.
The vultures have arrived.
I guess I get.
You can't touch too.
Alright, feel good.